Get him, bro.
That was insane. Just that little bit. Seeing that, hearing that fish go out like that, I'm like, holy shit.
Now I gotta let all this float. Don't drop the line quite so far. You're right.
Jake, yeah.
Reel before you start going down, Jake. Start reeling there. Yeah.
It's all right.
This is
One of those things, bro.
keep them tight, bro. Keep them tight. That's the same flasher I got right there.
Yeah.
We had the other one.
Bite him.
I'm not surprised to hit a fish. There's a lot of fish down there. Holy shit.
Way to go, bro. Way to go. Don't drop it so low, he said.
Reel as it's going down, Jake. There you go.
There
That's
you
the
go.
way. That's
There
the way
you
to
go.
do it.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Just like that. If you hear him taking drag, there's no sense reeling against it.
That one thing is coming up there.
John, you gotta be careful because look at it. John, there's a down button, a stop button, and an up button.
Alright.
You know what I mean?
Still marking them.
Oh my God, look at the fish on the bottom there. There's going to be another one hit right here.
That's a buddy.
Thought we were marking them one before we came in. Yeah? Yeah. We're crushing them.
Give me one more chance.
Dude, you just got that copper out there, didn't you?
That
How
cover's
far?
out there a minute.
I know, you just set it down, man. That thing whacked. Oh man.
You should see him on
I'm gonna fight
Facebook.
like that again, man.
I'm coming over to eat.
Look at Jake.
There you go. Start
Jake.
reeling.
Acting like a deep sea fisherman over here.
Okay,
Reel that bad boy.
easy up. Reel down fast. Easy up.
Reel down fast.
Start. Hey, Jimmy, reel. Rip 350. Listen, I put my.
What's that one on the top? There's just one on the top? That might be bait or maybe brown trout.
Fucking level line. The line, one side of the level line. The level line's on one side of the pool. The line is on the other side. You got the damn hook of the pool and line. Fucking got that.
Alright.
Another nice.
Very nice.
What do you
Let me see
think,
if I got another one of them set up.
24 pounds? 24, what do you think?
I just want to feel that again, man.
Sick.
This is badass.
So what happens to the line?
It was the line, you know, it comes off the reel like this,
Yeah.
and that level thing that goes back and forth. The level thing was over here, and the line was over here. So the line went like this and tried to come back around, and it snapped right there. I could feel it. Just like no pressure at all on it. Yeah.
Unreal.
How you doing, bro?
Tough standing, doing that.
Yeah.
Come on, you only got 5 minutes in there. Come on, let's go. You can do it.
Easy up. Yeah, that starts to hurt for a second. Good thing I got some padding. You know what I'm saying?
We'll see how good that
I'll
is.
set it right in here.
Yeah.
I'll bury that thing.
Yeah, we'll have to dig it out.
Get him, bruh. Dave, want me to turn right?
feeling, man?
Getting tired? Oh my God. Just think about my 72-year-old arms. Yeah, look at that fucking. There you go.
How you coming?
About 100 more yards, right?
205. I don't reset the counter, so I don't know how far it is.
I didn't even think to look at the counter on the.
No, the last thing you wanted to do was look at the counter. Jesus.
Yeah, he's still out there waiting.
Yeah, he's not taking it out.
Enjoy the fight, guys. Enjoy the fight.
He's not taking it out.
This is why we're here, right here.
Yep. If you could get him in 30 seconds, nobody would be here. It'd be like catching a big 30-pound poop.
Dave, what'd you run on the copper?
I'm making another one up right now. Yesterday I put it out at the very end of the day. Wasn't out 5 minutes. We ripped the fish with it. I'm like, because that's been a hot one for me for a while.
Boy, oh boy,
It hasn't been good this year yet.
that was definitely a fish on the end of that one I had. Holy crap, man. Working up a lather?
Hey, it's only 7 minutes. Come on.
Yeah, you go the right a little bit.
Come on, you got 10 more to go. At least 10 more. Work that bad boy.
Dude, this is
There you go. Perfect, man.
Take your time. Don't rush.
Fucking bugs are biting me.
There they are.
How you feeling?
Stop asking me the question.
How you feeling?
I don't want to answer it.
Nobody around. Okay. Don't pull it quite so fast. Okay? Okay, bring it up. Bring it nice. This is all line going back out. You're just
Right.
giving it back that line.
Right.
Pull it real fast. You're giving it right back. Bring it up a little slower.
Oh, I see what you're saying. The faster you bring it up, the drag is
Yeah,
going to go
pull
out.
the drag
and
out,
you're
yeah.
fighting for nothing.
You gain 2 food, he takes it right back.
Right. Hey, don't try and nuzzle in, all right? I'm next. I know what you're trying to do.
Don't worry, I won't grab.
No, I understand what you're trying to do. You're trying to get up in here.
Don't worry, I won't grab.
You know, next one that goes off, well, I was right next to it.
Just excruciating space in there.
Oh, that's how he is.
Yeah, baby. You ought to be over here with that, man.
You want another angle? You know, you can show the beads of sweat on the back of his head. All in here, this is all sweat.
Can't wait till you land one.
Oh, me either, man.
It'll tear you up.
I can't wait either.
I didn't think I fell with a cigarette in my mouth.
Yeah, that was your secret. Light a cigarette.
Yeah.
That's why-
Yeah.
Isn't that always the way it was when we were smokers? Oh yeah. As soon as you light a cigarette,
Oh, as soon as you light. Oh, shit.
Nice, dude. That was all solid fight right there. Look at that. Coming in now. Very nice. Very nice, man.
You can't
be here.
Only 10 minutes. Come on.
You didn't have dinner plans, did you? I'll sleep on this
Well, you
boat.
just head right toward the boat. That's where they are. That's where it's at.
There you go. Getting them.
Yourself a new stance there. Good shit, man.
I think I want you more, man.
Yeah. Copper going back out?